You gotta love duct tape. Last night the bottom of that blew up in the air. My deck was covered in rain water where it was blowing. This string broke and I've got to replace that today. It's a rope. It goes to the ceiling. So it couldn't hold the 60-mile-an-hour wind, so I got a thicker rope and I'm going to put that up. And on the outside here, I don't know if you guys can see that, they put the tarp up with washers and screws, but that was the only one they did. I added 1, 2, 3 because that tarp had blown away. And so I'm just doing my best to catch up right now. Thank goodness I had everything I needed in the shed. As you can see, I got my little handy dandy drill and drill bits over there, hammers, tape. So I'm going to do the string, only this time I'm going to go smart. I'll be using a bungee cord here on the inside to give it a little flexibility down to the floor so it doesn't tear again. I'll do the same thing on the outside. It'll make life a little easier. I'm hoping that works. We will see, guys. We will see. So I got a little 1-foot step ladder here. And step stool, I should say. And I'll fix the inside. And I'll take my step ladder outside. But when this is working, I get no rain up here on the deck. Absolutely none. So, but anyway, I will be working on it.